Hello, students of Standard 10. Welcome to this YouTube channel of Montbretian. I am here with your English poem number 4, the ball poem questions. I have taught this chapter thoroughly, line-wise, and also given you the summary separately in 2 videos. Now I am with your questions of this chapter. There are only 4 questions. You please write your answers of these questions in your fair copy if you can. But before copying it from any other books or from the copies of other, please surely you revise once, go through the answers, whether it is correct or not, whether the question matches with the answers or answers matches with the questions, whether the answers are to the point, it should not be too lengthy because you have to learn for writing also. Seeing this all, you should copy down the answers from wherever you want. So the first question is, why does the poet say, I would not intrude on him, intrude, I-N-T-R-U-D, intrude on him, question mark. Why doesn't he offer him money? Why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? Him here symbolizes the boy who has lost his ball. Why doesn't the author, means he, offer the boy money to buy another ball? Second question, what does the poet say the boy is learning from the loss of the ball? This question several times I have answered in my videos. What does the poet say the boy is learning from the loss of the ball? Question number 3, what does the boy learn from his first experience of losing something precious? What does the boy learn from his first experience of losing something precious? Fourth question, the last question, what is the central idea of the poem? What is the central idea of the poem? Means you have to write the full summary of it. But not copy down. Don't copy down directly the summary from the book. You must explain it very nicely. What does the total poem, full poem, meaning of the poem, internal meaning of the poem, not external, internal meaning of the poem. Summary. Okay? Thank you.